leak going on. It cleans it up a lot. Says no more Silverado side emblems, but we're gonna keep the Chevy emblems for sure, front and back. And then, so the stuff for the headlights is coming in. Should be the next 3 to 4 days. We'll be doing some work on that, and then what you see now it'll look completely different within a week. All right, so I just had to get gas again, but like I was saying earlier, the exhaust, the muffler is not super loud. You can kind of hear it in the inside. It doesn't drone as much as I thought it was going to, which is a good thing. But it doesn't overpower the noise inside the cab to where you can't hear anything or can't hear anybody talking or can't hear your music. The tires kind of do that sometimes on its own, so it's a good thing that the exhaust doesn't. And I wasn't looking for a super extreme loud exhaust like some people run, which is, I don't hate it, I just don't like it for myself. Where I live at, I'm in and out middle of the night and come back home early in the morning. I don't want to be waking up everybody. I'll probably wake people up now with the exhaust I have, but it is what it is. And one thing is, you might notice here shortly, is I'll be drinking this little bottle of Coke. Ever since I've been going to the new gas station they built near our house, I keep getting these every time I go there. And I get this in a Monster, and I like this more than the Monster sometimes. It just tastes way better in this bottle than it does in a can or a fountain. So, just sharing that because I'll probably be drinking it in a second. But what I got coming next is, like I said on the last video, we were talking about the headlights that came in before. They were the wrong headlights, and I didn't know what I wanted to do with those. What I'm going to be doing this time is, hold on, freaking people can't drive around here sometimes. So what I'm going to be doing this time is, I'll be taking the headlights out and do some custom work to them, paint them, put them back in. All the chrome's going to be gone. I'm not sure if it's going to be black, if it's going to be paint match, if it's going to be wrapped yet, but all that should be hopefully done within the next week. I'm going to do a video on that too. That includes the front bumper, the housing around the grill, the chrome trim around the lights, the trim on the back bumper. And like you've seen in the short video I started whenever I began the video, and someone just ran this red light and about T-boned somebody. But as you can see in the short little clip, all of the chrome Silverado emblems are gone off the side of the truck. So I badge deleted that, and I only kept the Chevy symbol on the front and on the back, which I think it looks way cleaner than it originally did when I first, had them on there still. But another thing I need to do is still tint these windows because it's freaking super hot. It's 96 degrees right now, and I walked out to the truck after not being in it today at all, and I burnt my arm on, I think it was the door. I burnt my arm on the door, and then it burnt my hand on the steering wheel. So, it is what it is. It's hot, and it's the South, so. But I'm gonna get a video of the headlights, doing all the headlights. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with the tail lights right now. Still don't have that worked out yet, but slowly working on it, so get those changes done. And then we'll see what's after that. Hopefully I can go up higher in a lift, because I wanna be 2 or 3 more inches higher in this lift than I am now. My gosh, traffic is horrible around here. But so that's what I'm working on now. Hopefully the lift will come in a couple months, maybe sooner. I don't really know yet, so we'll figure that out. Alright, so here's a daily routine right here. Daily or every other daily, pretty much, is washing the truck at this touchless car wash. Which the past couple days, this hose they have up here on this thing has been leaking, which has been funny because it actually helps the car wash. But so I really like this car wash because I don't have to worry about it touching and scratching the truck, and it does a good job of cleaning it. So that's one thing that gets done multiple times a week here. Alright, so another thing I was saying was the exhaust and tires. So the exhaust isn't super loud inside the cabin, which is a good thing. And the tires are pretty loud, but it's a good mix of the two in the cab and outside, I should say, I guess. If I roll the windows down, the tires are screaming, and you can still hear the exhaust pretty good over that. Inside the cab, it's about the same way. It's a good mix, 50-50 of it, until you get off the gas a little bit. Then the exhaust comes down some. Or if you're like cruise control at 70, you're not going to hear it as much as before. I don't know if you can hear it now, but I'm going up a hill, so I mean you're going to get a little bit of gas on it. But it's really not bad. The muffler's made by Total Flow. It's like an off-brand of Flowmaster. It's the same internals, internal structure as the Series 40, and it's the same size. So it's the same diameter, same inlets, same outlet as what I would need for this truck. So it's basically the same thing for a lot less, and I figured why not try it out since it got sent to me. It didn't cost me anything for it, so I figured I'd put it on and at least attempt it. But I like it so far. I've had it on for maybe a week now, if that. I didn't know how it was going to hold up, so I wanted to wait on doing a video on it, but it's held up pretty good. It was red originally. Now it's like a burnt red, so I mean the finish isn't great, but it's going to be hot, like extremely hot. So I wouldn't expect the paint to hold up perfectly on it, but for the most part it's still pretty red. You guys let me know what you think about the debadging, if it looks cleaner or whatnot. If you're on Instagram, let me know on Instagram what you think about it. There'll be pictures of it here shortly. But like I said, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. That helps a lot. And let me know what you think about doing videos like this. So like breaking it up sometimes, doing a video where I'm driving around talking about what happened to the truck, what's going on with the truck, and what's next.